Water is essential for life, playing a crucial role in almost every bodily function. Despite its importance, many people do not consume enough water daily, leading to dehydration. According to scientists, dehydration can have significant effects on the body, ranging from mild discomfort to severe health issues. Understanding these effects is vital for maintaining overall health and well-being. The importance of water. Water constitutes about 60% of the human body and is involved in various critical functions. It helps regulate body temperature, transports nutrients, cushions joints, and aids in digestion. Additionally, water is essential for the removal of waste products through urine and sweat. Without adequate water intake, the body struggles to perform these functions effectively. Early signs of dehydration. Dehydration can begin with a loss of just 1–2% of body weight due to water loss. Early signs include thirst, the body's first signal that it needs more water. Dry mouth and throat, reduced saliva production leads to dryness. Fatigue, lack of energy and increased tiredness can occur. Headaches, dehydration can cause tension headaches or migraines. These initial symptoms indicate that the body is already experiencing the effects of insufficient water. Impact on physical performance. For athletes or active individuals, dehydration can significantly impact performance. Research indicates that a loss of 3–4% of body weight can lead to decreased endurance, increased fatigue, and impaired coordination. This can result in a higher risk of injury and a decline in athletic performance. The body becomes less efficient at regulating temperature, which can lead to overheating during physical activities. Cognitive effects. Dehydration also affects cognitive functions. Studies have shown that even mild dehydration can impair concentration, alertness, and short-term memory. The brain is highly sensitive to changes in hydration levels, and dehydration can lead to increased feelings of anxiety and irritability. As hydration levels decrease, cognitive performance can decline, making it challenging to focus on tasks or make decisions. Long-term health consequences. Chronic dehydration can lead to more severe health issues over time. According to scientific research, prolonged lack of water intake can contribute to kidney stones. Insufficient water can lead to concentrated urine, increasing the risk of kidney stones. Urinary tract infections. UTIs. Dehydration can lead to lower urine production, increasing the chances of UTIs. Constipation. Water is essential for digestion. Inadequate intake may result in harder stools and constipation. Skin health. Dehydration can affect skin elasticity and lead to dryness, making the skin appear dull and lifeless. Prevention and recommendations to prevent dehydration. Scientists recommend several strategies. Drink regularly. Aim for at least 8–10 cups of water daily, adjusting for factors like exercise and climate. Listen to your body. Pay attention to thirst signals and drink water before feeling thirsty. Eat hydrating foods. Incorporate fruits and vegetables with high water content, such as cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon. Monitor urine color. A light yellow color usually indicates proper hydration, while dark urine suggests a need for more fluids. Conclusion. In conclusion, the impact of insufficient water on the body is profound and multifaceted. From early signs of dehydration to long-term health consequences, maintaining proper hydration is critical for overall health. As we continue to understand the importance of water, making conscious efforts to stay hydrated can lead to improved physical performance, cognitive function, and long-term health. Stay hydrated and prioritize your body's need for this vital resource.